Hello beautiful people. We wanted to show you how to build a bicycle work stand, but we could not decide what to build it from, wood or steel. So we built two of them. For the wood one, you can use any type of wood that you have. We used some 4x8 that we had at home.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell.
We gave the pillar an angle. We did not measure the angle because it's not that important.
You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my
To assemble the pieces of wood, we used 8 cm long screws. We drilled pilot holes to prevent the wood from splitting.
You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember.
For the upper part, we used a 2 cm thick board and we gave it this nice shape.
So catch me if I fall.
We used some leftover pieces of wood to make spacers between the two boards. Now for the steel stand. We used some flat pieces of steel that we had. We used them for all the builds that we did. Right here we decided to make it so that we can dismantle it. This way we can take it anywhere we need to take it. If you like what you saw so far, don't forget to show us some love. He is so delicate with that angle grinder. And of course, we welded all the parts. Here you can see how the clamp is working. We used an old air tube to protect the paint of the bicycle. It's time for paint. We decided to paint it black. We really like painting stuff black. The wood stand turned out really sturdy, and it's easy to build. The steel stand, it's not so sturdy, but it's easy to take it apart and transport it where you need it, and also has more possibilities to put the bicycle on it. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.